It's launch week. I'm so excited. Baby, now you're one of us. I cannot believe that this day is coming closer and closer. 2 days left. I'm going to go get a haircut because I have 12 TikToks to record. The plan is to upload 12 TikToks that day by the hour, and I don't know what time I want to start. Probably from around 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. For now, all I know is that I have to get all my content together so that on that day I'm not panicking. And yes, I need to get a haircut to do that. I normally have my curls, but I'm thinking maybe I do my little bunny ears. I don't know, we'll see how that goes. That's what I'm looking more towards because I didn't feel like doing my hair this week, plus I've had the curls in for such a long time. I missed my stretched out hair. Anyway, time to go get that haircut because I have to go to work after. This is going to be a very long week for me because I have work and I also have to launch the journal. Let me get on with that. I got my haircut. It's different from what I normally do, but I like it. Anyway, it's 3:32. Woo, it's 3:33. It's 3:33. I'm just about to start recording some TikToks. Hopefully I can get around 6 today, maybe 6 tomorrow, and then that's enough for launch day. I also need to create some for today. That means I need around 14 TikToks in total. Some for one for tomorrow, one for today, and 12 for the other day. Anyway, let me get started. I'm talking too much.
The next day.
It's the next day. I wasn't able to record all the TikToks yesterday. Actually, I was not able to record any after work. I'm just about to record all the rest. As you can see, my face is all made up. My face is not made up. I have lipstick. That's what my makeup is. My hair is looking fly. This is what I mean by my face is made up. I feel like I haven't done this hairstyle in forever. Also, certain things you don't see on the gram. I'm dressed up in a very messy shirt which doesn't show in the video, and at the bottom I have nothing. Hashtag content creator life. Yo, something strange just happened. I've been struggling so much to grow on TikTok, and I had 66 followers as of last night, but in the past hour I have 94. I'm like, where did all these people come from? I uploaded something about my new business, unpacking and all that stuff, and damn, thank you guys, I appreciate it so much. You cannot believe what just happened to me. I just got back from work. It's 3:50, just in time for me to record some more TikToks. But oh, first of all, check out this work match, you guys. Oh my god, I'm in love with white hoodies, and this is so dope, I think. Oh yeah, I was telling you, so I'm here. I posted something yesterday on TikTok, which you should have seen on Instagram and YouTube Shorts. But when I posted it on TikTok, it did not get any feedback. Today I was recording TikToks and I kept on getting likes. I told you guys already. Somebody bought. People bought from that post, you guys. Oh my god, I've been working so hard for this. I've been posting 3 times a day. How many times a day? And now I post 1 time a day and I have buyers. So this has taught me one thing: just because you post 3 times a day, that doesn't guarantee you sales. However, if you post stuff that's shareable, I think that's the lesson here. Yeah, shareable and inspirational. I gotta go. I have to continue recording TikToks, and I will see you guys whenever. I don't know the last time I was in bed this early. It's 9:47. Tomorrow is launch day. I'm super excited, and I'm also nervous. I'm just like, oh my god, what's going to happen? Today was a really good day. My TikTok kind of went viral. Well, not that viral, but a lot of people saw it, no more people than usual, and I got some sales, which is so amazing. So I'm just like, oh my god, I wish launch day goes like this, even better. Please god, make this happen for me, please god. I'm putting this out there. I hope, you know how many sales I want to get every day? Like 6 sales. If I make 6 sales every day, I'll sell all my stock. But if god helps me and I get like 20 sales every day, yo, only 20 sales daily, oh my god, at least until June. Woo, end of June. Oh my god, that would be so dope. I'm putting this out there. I hope the universe can hear me. Oh my god, I'm so sorry for the washing machine. I just realized it's on and it's so loud. I'm going to check out some TikToks to get inspiration for tomorrow's post for the next 10 minutes, and then I go to bed after that. Yo, I'm here looking at some TikToks, and guess what I see? I think it's the universe sending me a message. Look.
Rainwater.
I can barely open my eyes, but it's launch day. Oh my god, It's launch day finally. This light is too bright, damn. Anyway, it's 6:12. Oh my god, I can't believe this. What? It's launch day. The actual day is here. Yo, launch day is here. I cannot believe it. This light is too bright. But yeah, launch day is here. Damn. I finally got myself out of bed 1 hour later. Let me go put in a workout and get this day started. Oh my god, it's launch day. What? It's hard to believe that it's launch day, but I guess this is it. I thought I would wake up much earlier, get a lot of stuff done, but that's okay. I'm going to do as much as I can because I'm a one-man show. I ain't gonna break myself, but also this is my first launch, so it's just going to be more of a learning experience. Okay, time to work out. Time check is 9:30, about that. I'm not really sure right now. My phone is charging, but I'm behind schedule, number one, and yeah, I have like 12 TikToks to upload the whole day. I haven't yet started uploading, so technically if I start at 10, I finish at 10, but I'm thinking that's a little too much, so instead of 12, I might go with about 8 or 9. I already have 7, so that is great. Anyway, I'm talking too much and I'm wasting time. What I came here to tell you guys is before the day starts, before all this starts, we all need help with God, with a higher power, whatever it is that you believe in. I'm very in touch with my spirituality, and because of that, I need to say a little prayer before I get started. Alright people, I really don't know what post I want to put up first. However, I think I'm going to put the prayer one first because I started with a prayer. I'm going to put up the spirituality post first. Also, I have to send out my emails, but I think I should also do that right now because I can schedule it, and I schedule it for like 2:45-15 minutes to launch time so that people are on the website. Maybe even 10 minutes to launch time, I don't know, but I'm going to schedule it right now, do all the captions and hashtags for the posts I already have, then just put them on my phone ready to go. The good thing about TikTok and Instagram is that I can put them in draft, so that every 1 hour I just put a timer on my phone to remind me by the hour to post, but the stuff is already there. And yeah, that is the plan. Let's get it. I also need to write down my to-do list. I have my journal here, so I need to do my to-do list so that I don't miss up anything. But I think I'm going to do the to-do list after making the post because I don't want to be late. You have no idea how much time is wasted to upload a post. It's a lot of time. That's why I'm like, I need to do it right now, because even if it's like 20 minutes until I post, I'm on a much safer side if I first prep the post. And then yeah, what is this? I knew this was going to take long. It's 10:16 right now. I started uploading this 20 minutes ago, so to upload on all the platforms, it technically takes me about 30 minutes, actually 40 minutes to put it on all platforms. If I can pre-plan 4 platforms, then it takes the hard work away, because damn, at this rate I won't be able to take the stuff upstairs because all the stuff is still here. Right there, those are some of the boxes. Some are upstairs but some are here. I just finished sending out the email that's going out at 2:45. I'm now just making sure all the things are pre-uploaded on YouTube. It takes so much time, yo. It's 10:43 now. I have to start uploading the previous post because I set a timer on my phone. Now it says 9 minutes I have to upload, so I'm thinking I should just start uploading now, but I'm just going to just finish with TikTok, sorry, with YouTube. I don't even know what post I'm uploading next. Let me just figure that shit out now. I need fun, baby. Now that's going to be my next one. Yo, that song is stuck in my head. I'm moving my workstation up here because down there's so much noise. My roommate is doing his laundry and there is much more space here. You know this place? Anyway, I have my box here that I'm going to unpack right now, get everything on the table and start pre-packing to save some time when it comes to delivering the order. So I'm just going to put the journals in envelopes and then wait for lunch time. Oh, by the way, time check is 1:19, so I have less than 2 hours to the launch, and now just realized I need to go and upload the next post. But first, let's unpack this box. I also decided that I'm going to only upload 8 posts. I thought I would do it to 12, but I started uploading at 10, and from 10 to 6 it's 8 hours. Maybe after 6, if I think of some more content, I'm going to upload, but for now I only have 8 pieces of content, and they're going to go out until 6 p.m. Ain't it fun, ain't it fun, baby, now you're one of us. That song is in my head because of the TikTok. And yeah, you're now one of us, you're now one of the Bay crew and Pastor Man crew. Okay. Oh my god, can you imagine? It's 3, I'm late. I've been trying to upload. I was on the phone thinking it's going to take a little time. Oh my god, no. The post, woo, Instagram just told me, I don't know if you can see that right there. Instagram just reminded me that the launch is on. Oh my god, oh my god. Okay, the launch is on, and yeah, there is nothing much that happens because the website has been on, but officially in my world and in the world you guys are watching now, the launch is on. People have been on the website. Let's check how many people are on right now. 11 people. I only got 11 visitors since morning after all my effort, but in the meantime I'm going to pack the orders because I realized that the other day I made a post that people actually saw yesterday, and then yesterday is when I got sales. So let me pack and actually go live. So yeah, I'm going to just go live while I pack and talk about the journal and all that stuff, and hopefully that's going to help me get some sales. I'm very shy to go live on Instagram because I feel like Instagram is a vanity place. As I talk, time is passing. Instagram is a vanity place, but YouTube is a nice place. It's like a cool place, and I have more people on YouTube and I'm more myself there. So yes, I'm gonna be on YouTube. Yo, technical difficulties already, and yeah, so I need to upload a post, but that's going to take forever. So I'm thinking I should just go live first and then I'll upload the post later, which is what I'm going to do right now. I went to get this. What else did I go to do? I failed to get the chat, so the whole thing just went off. Now I have to go back live again. Okay, I will. Yeah, let's do this. All right, now game time for real, no jokes. And we are live. Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sheila, the creator of Madame Bay. Earlier we had technical difficulties, but I'm back now with everything I needed. Actually, I even came back with the origin of the journal, so it's launch day. Say hi to YouTube, you guys. Hi guys, I know there is no one, but yeah. I mean, there's people live, but I mean, you can't see each other. That's what I mean. I cannot wait for everyone who got their journals, who bought journals, to get their copies. This is the original journal. Don't worry, the table is clean. Everything is clean. I cleaned up before I started the whole process. So this is how you guys are receiving your orders. I'm just going to basically pack it in one of these. I have so many of them downstairs. I'm not going to close them because I haven't printed out the receipts. So all I'm going to do is just, maybe I should leave one copy outside so that people that come on see what this looks like. Some orders. I'm just going to leave them open like this. Yeah, like I told ya. Thought I told ya I was gonna bump like this. How are you guys doing? How is your Wednesday? What are you up to? Talk to me, people. Talk to me, talk to me, talk to me. Talk to me, Oh my god, you guys, you don't want to see me when I'm alone like I do. I make some funny sounds, some funny noises, dance some funny shit, and I'm alone most of the time. So it's crazy.
never catch him while I'm this small. Why, curious butterflies.
You mean bread and butterflies?
Oh, yes, of course.
Time check 4:23. I just finished going live on Instagram. Sorry, on Facebook. After going live on YouTube and Instagram, I also went live on Facebook. And yeah, so I guess I've put myself out there. You cannot say I didn't put myself out there, and I'm big on that. I'm big on doing the things you have to do and let the universe take over the rest, because sometimes there are things you cannot control. You cannot control how many sales you have. You cannot control how many people come to your website. By the way, let me check right now how many people are on. You can only do the most you can and leave the rest to the universe. Yo, when I was on Facebook, I shared my live with every group chat I'm on, and I just realized, oh, yo, you know, like spamming people, because I'm like, yo, people need to know about my stuff. Anyway, people came live. I shared my link in the comments, and now I'm just checking how many people. Can you imagine? There were 11, and one guy said he checked it out, so now it's 12 website views. Yesterday we were on 100 website views, and today we are on 11, on 12. Oh my god, I'm just being raw and real with you guys. A launch day doesn't necessarily mean that you're going to make sales, to be honest. But if I wake up with sales tomorrow morning, I won't be mad. Or if I'm chilling and my stuff has marinated enough, my content, then well and good, I'm ready to receive all them things. Then, by the way, how do you like the black El Pastaman hoodie? I feel like it's so nice, you guys. What? We're going to start selling merch. Would you guys buy this El Pastaman hoodie? Let me know, because I think it's cute. I think it's so cute, especially if you love pasta. I'm going to continue posting some content for the rest of the day, and I will let you guys know what happens when it happens, because I feel like at this point it's boring for you to watch. But yeah, and done. It's 7:35. It's when I'm putting up my last post. It's been a really long day. It's been a really long day. I must say that was really tiring, even if it feels like I wasn't doing anything. Yo, that was a lot. Uploading hashtags, making sure all the platforms have the posts: Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, YouTube, Twitter. Yo, I've been everywhere the whole day, but well, we'll see what happens tonight. I hope I wake up and I've gone viral and I've sold out. Yo, that's my only prayer right now, because I haven't made any sales. So I will update you tomorrow, but if not, I'm probably going to say bye now. As always, thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video valuable and inspirational. By the way, don't give up. I'm not bothered that I didn't make sales on launch day. I know that tomorrow it's going to happen, or the next day, or whenever, and whenever it happens, it's going to be a really big deal. I've already been making sales anyway, and that's something I always want you to remember. Always be grateful. This laptop is making so much noise. Always be grateful, because emotions are energy in motion, and if you stay positive, things kind of tend to go well, you know. And your vibe attracts your tribe, I think. So you vibe rate. I made a post about it. I was listening to something, and it's like your vibe rate. So I want to vibe in a higher frequency, not a lower frequency of, oh my god, no. I'm grateful that I was able to do this. I'm grateful to God for making me do this and showing me that I can do it. I've uploaded 8 posts today. I wanted to do 12, but I'm glad I didn't do 12. Yo, if I had an assistant, this would be great. Or if I had planned earlier the posts and pre-planned them, that would be great. But now, oh my god, that was a lot. Anyway guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, found it helpful, and if you did, of course, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, because it really supports my channel. Also, do not forget to help me share this video with your friends who you think might find it helpful if they're starting a new business. As always, do not forget to stay motivated, be patient, trust the process, and spread the love. I will see you in the next one. Bye. Oh, by the way, do you know I haven't eaten yet? Oh, you know what I ate? I ate Ferrero Rocher. I have it here, like 3 of them. Okay, it doesn't want to get out of the trash, but I ate 3 packs of, you know, these mini Ferreros. So it comes with 3. I ate 9 of them, 9 bowls. Damn, that's what happens. That is what happens. Anyway, after this launch, I'm going to be taking care of my health. So stay tuned, subscribe to my channel if you want to watch that. Okay, bye now. Bye now. I love you.